Listen up, friends. The dishwasher is one big bully. I was being a bad dog and licking the plates as Mom was loading the dishes into the dishwasher. My collar got stuck on the bottom rack of the dishwasher and I went running down the hallway to my mom like a scary cat. The dishwasher rack was attached to me. I broke every dish she had just loaded. Mom was screaming at me for me to stop moving, but the drawer was chasing after me, so I kept running down the hallway. Someone please come help King the Pity out. Now every time she opens the dishwasher I run away because the dishwasher is one crazy, greedy, and noisy machine.